Stop using Microsoft Word in 2025 if you do not know these 10 logo shortcuts. Hey everyone, welcome back to Lab Repair. Today we are going to talk about 10 essential logo shortcuts in Microsoft Word that you should know in 2025. Let's go. Type 1 F4 BB plus Alt and X for laptop logo. 1 F4 F1 plus Alt and X for phone logo. Type 1 F4 FB plus Alt and X for radio logo. Type 2709 plus Alt and X for email logo. Now it's your turn. Tell me the watch logo in the comments and prove me that you are learning. Do not forget to like the video. Type 1 F507 plus Alt and X for no loud sound. Type 1 F6AD plus Alt and X for no smoking logo. Type 2 6A0 plus Alt and X for warning sign logo. Type 1 F50B plus Alt and X for energy logo. Type 1 F511 plus Alt and X for key shortcut. Type 1 F3A7 plus Alt and X for headphone logo. Type 1 F4A1 plus Alt and X for light logo. Type 2705 plus Alt and X for checkmark logo. Type 274C plus Alt and X for ring mark logo. Type 1 F3A4 plus Alt and X for microphone logo. Type 2B50 plus Alt and X for star logo. Type 1 F513 plus Alt and X for lock logo. Type 1 F5A8 plus Alt and X for printer logo. Type 1 F5B1 plus Alt and X for mouse logo. And type 1 F4C1 for folder logo. Do not forget to like the video if it was helpful. So please like the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel for new Microsoft and Windows tips.